Okay guys, we're gonna unbox the Victorinox for no reason. Struggling.
Out.
We got it out. Okay. One. Okay. This is two. Whatever. 4, 8, 3, whatever. 4, 5. Yeah. Toothpick. Yeah, and. Okay. And. And.
That's the large blade, the small one, the corkscrew, the can opener with the small screwdriver. Then we have the bottle opener with the screwdriver and the wire stripper in this one. The reamer punch, this one, that doesn't even open easily. Then we have the keyring and the I'm gonna see which one we get out first. Okay, the toothpick and the tweezers.
That's it. That's a Victorinox for you. We're seeing here.